Hi to everyone. Today the topic is distribution system. Before we have to discuss about the distribution system, first we have to know what is the power system. Power system is mainly consist of three parts. That is the first generating station, and second one is transmission line, and third one is distribution system. First part, generating station. At generating station we have to generate the power. Then the second component will be transmission line. By using the transmission line, we have to transmit that power generating station to transmission lines. The third component is distribution network. By using the distribution network, we have to distribute the power. This is the distribution system. Okay. First, what is the distribution system? The part of power system which distribute electrical power from local use is known as a system. Distribution system. Whatever the part of power system which distributed electrical power for local uses is known as distribution system. In general, the distribution system is one type of a electrical system between the substation. This substation is fed by the transmission system and the consumer meters. Okay. This distribution system generally consists of feeders, distributors, and the service mains. This is the single line diagram for distribution system. Okay. Here the terminals will be A, B, C, D. Here S will be represents the substation. First, we have to know what is the feeders and what is the distributors and what are the service mains. First, feeder. A feeder is nothing but one type of a conductor which connects the substation to the area where the power is to be distributed. So, from the diagram here, S will be a substation. Okay. A feeder is a conductor which connects the substation. This is a substation. This feeder is connected to the substation to the area where the power is distributed. SA is a one type of feeder, SSE is a one type of feeder, and SD is also one type of feeder. From this substation to the area, here the power is distributed. Next, distributor. A distributor is also one type of a conductor. From this distributor, we have to taking the tappings or are taken from supply to the consumers. Okay. From the diagram, AB, BC, CD, DA are the distributors. Okay. After next, service mains. A service mains is generally a small cables. These are the service mains. These service mains are having a small cables which are connected to the distributor to the consumer's terminals. We are the consumers. These service mains are connected to the distributor to the consumer terminals. These three are the general consist of a distribution system. After next, classification of distribution system. Based on the nature of current, according to the nature of current, distribution system may be classified as two types. First one is AC distribution system and second one will be DC distribution system. And also, based on the type of construction, these distribution systems are two types: overhead system and underground system. Third one, based on scheme of connection, these distribution systems are three types: radial distribution system, ring main system, and third one is a interconnection system.